One of the single hardest parts of running a business isn't tracking the money you already spent. It's predicting your cash position over the next few months so you don't get blindsided by a dry spell. If you have a ton of outstanding bills due next month but no customer invoices coming due to pay for them, your business can quickly fall into a danger zone. QuickBooks has an incredible built-in predictive tool called the Cash Flow Planner that visually charts your financial future. Today, I'm going to show you how to navigate this dashboard and how to add custom forecast items to test out future business moves. To open your planner dashboard, move over to your search box and type Cash Flow Planner. After that, you will find the menu and you can click on it. Once the layout loads, you'll see your real-time cash command center. Right at the top left, QuickBooks aggregates your connected bank accounts to show your starting baseline. Over on the top right, you can use the drop-down filter to switch between a quick 1-month outlook or a deep 24-month projection. The line graph below it automatically reads your outstanding invoices and upcoming bills to map out your trend line, warning you in red if you are projected to dip below your cash threshold. Right under your main graph, pay close attention to the Overdue Transactions Alert banner. If you have old invoices or bills that pass their expected dates, they will throw off your future predictions. Now for the best part: planning for things that aren't officially on your books yet. What if you plan to hire a new contractor next month, or you are expecting a massive custom project payout in July? You can test these scenarios out without messing up your actual tax ledger. Scroll down and click the green Add Item button. Select whether this is money coming in or going out, give it a name, type in the value, and select the date you expect the cash to clear. When you click Save, QuickBooks instantly recalculates your entire line graph, showing you exactly how that future shift will impact your cash cushion weeks before it actually happens. Using this planner once a week is the absolute best way to take control of your cash flow roller coaster and make confident business decisions. If this forecasting guide helped you map out your business goals today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.